Have you ever imagined what it would be like if luxury met innovation head-on? Picture this: the 2025 S680, a masterpiece in the making, blending elements from both its smaller E-Class cousins and its own storied lineage. Let's explore what makes this upcoming model stand out and what to expect from its transformation. Imagine the elegance of the S-Class, already renowned for its sophistication, getting a fresh facelift that brings it even closer to modern luxury ideals. The new S680 is rumored to incorporate design cues from its E-Class relatives, while retaining the distinctive features that make it uniquely S-Class. The transformation starts at the front. New headlights with DRLs designed to resemble stars, adding a celestial touch to the vehicle's presence. The front bumper is redesigned, with the grille extending lower into the fascia, creating a bold new look that's both sleek and commanding. Step inside, and the S680 continues to impress with its commitment to comfort and luxury. The headrests are reimagined to offer an even more comfortable cushion, ensuring a plush experience for every passenger. This enhancement is part of a broader update, focusing on both exterior and interior improvements. Speaking of interiors, the new S680 is set to feature an upgraded tech suite. Among the exciting innovations, sources hint at a partnership with Sony Pictures Entertainment. This collaboration may bring the Ride View capability to the cabin, allowing passengers to stream movies directly from Sony's catalog onto their devices. This feature would enhance the luxury experience, making every journey not just comfortable, but also entertaining. While the core of the vehicle remains consistent with its luxurious standards, there are notable changes at the front and rear. The new design aims to elevate the S680's aesthetic, while ensuring that it continues to stand out in the luxury sedan market. The rear section, still under wraps, hints at a substantial redesign, promising a refreshed look that complements the new front fascia. Under the hood, the 2025 S680 will offer a range of engine options, catering to diverse preferences and needs. In the US, the base model will feature a 3.0 liters inline-six turbocharged engine with mild hybrid technology. For those seeking a blend of performance and efficiency, there's an option for a plug-in hybrid system. Additionally, there's a non-electrified variant equipped with a 4.0 liters V8 twin-turbocharged engine, providing robust power for those who crave a more dynamic driving experience. In summary, the 2025 S680 is shaping up to be a luxurious, technologically advanced, and stylish update to the S-Class lineage. With its blend of innovative design and performance options, it's poised to set new standards in the luxury sedan segment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.